a world where gravity pulls us down, we may ask, how can one become so light as to detach from the weights that drag us to the ground? This is the story of Mordecai's Collection number 1, Flight Techniques. During Men's Fashion Week and as part of the CNMI official calendar, Mordecai unveiled its debut collection. Ludovico Bruno, the creative force behind Mordecai, took the stage to explore the essence of lightness and challenge the conventional boundaries of fashion. In a mesmerizing narrative, Ludovico pondered, how can one convey lightness and volume at the same time? It was a thought that set the tone for a collection that transcends the ordinary, a collection that explores the duality of garments. Collection number 1 began as a reflection on the desire to travel light, to shed the unnecessary and embrace the indispensable. It was a journey that led to the realization that true style is about reducing excess and celebrating the vital elements that define our wardrobe without adding unnecessary weight. The collection drew inspiration from menswear staples and martial arts attire, converging lightness and precision with a distinctive silhouette-driven approach. The shapes were loose yet controlled, featuring substantial shoulders and pants with deep folds, a harmonious dance between structure and flow. A neutral color palette, reminiscent of seasons past, welcomed new tones: cognac, burnt brown, and dark gray melange. The fabrics were carefully curated, featuring super light matte nylon, fustian, mohair-like wool, and hand-operated cashmere pashmina. Sheepskin and leather took center stage in natural dark brown hues, while exclusive fabrics showcased intricate patterns on a loom. But it wasn't just about outerwear. Knitwear assumed a central role, bringing a soft and light fuzzy texture to basics in merino, cashmere, and cotton. A revolutionary knitting technique transformed traditional sweatshirts into knitted cashmere garment ensembles, a luxurious alternative to active leisure wear. Behind this symphony of style stands Ludovico Bruno, a designer with a storied journey. From his early days as a knitwear designer to his time at Moncler, under the mentorship of Giambattista Valli and Tom Brown, Bruno honed his savoir-faire. His experience's discrete visual codes all culminated in the birth of his own menswear label, Mordecai. Mordecai Collection number 1 emerged as a testament to craftsmanship, intention, and a commitment to leaving a lasting impact.